Hey guys, are you want to buy best welding cable? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best welding cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5, WindyNation 6-gauge copper flexible cable wire. WindyNation welding cable at a very reasonable price tag. It is a 10 feet long variant with similarly strong power capacity that is up to 600 volts. All other attributes are similar to previously mentioned WindyNation cables, such as high-grade EPDM insulation jackets and superior resistance to cuts, tears, abrasion, and moisture damage. The inner copper cable also has a very high straining ratio. Combined with the EPDM coating, this cable allows exceptional flexibility that prevents accidental cuts. As it is rated up to 600 volts, it needs a very high temperature resistance that can be seen on this cable. It has 58 degF to plus 221 degF temperature range. As it is a pure copper cable, you can rest assured that even at maximum temperature, the cable will be safe. Now number 4, GS Power Copper Clad Aluminum Zip Cord Cable. This is a CC red or black bonded cable that can be either used separately or bonded together to use for higher voltage applications. Either way, you will be getting 100 feet cable in the package where 50 feet cable is red and 50 feet cable is black. Pulling apart the cables is also a very easy task, as they are not hard bonded in the packaging. These cables are automotive grade with the GPT PVC insulation on top to prevent oil or gas damage from the outside. The inside part of the cable is also highly resilient to damage as it has a high temperature range from 40 degree F all the way up to plus 176 degree F. As you can separate the cables, it stands as a perfect option for radio, stereo, home theaters, and robotic applications. Bound together, you can get a high voltage capacity of 600 volts that will be necessary for welding. In the third position, we have a pure copper cable from WindyNation. The WNI1/0 gauge 5 feet black battery welding pure copper ultra flexible cable gives you a large variety of gauges, color variants, and lengths to choose from. With any choice, you will be getting 5 pieces of 5/16-inch stud copper cable lugs, 5 pieces of 3/8-inch stud copper cable lugs, and an extra 3 feet long black heat shrink tubing included in the package. The whole package is designed and manufactured in the USA. Hence, you will not find it difficult to get the cable repaired or even replaced in case you face any difficulty with the product quality or compatibility. The PowerFlex cable itself, on the other hand, is made of pure copper, and it is ultra flexible due to the solvent-resistant EPDM insulation jacket. It also has SAE Jones 1127 approval and uses annealed copper that is necessary according to ASTM standards. Our second pick for the best welding cables is the TYUMEN 100 FT 16-gauge 2x2 color red-black cable. It can be an ideal option for you if you are looking for a welding cable with the least expensive price tag. Even though it's very cheap, you will still get a 100-foot long cable with a voltage carrying capacity of 24 volts. It is a true 16 American wire gauge cable that can be used as an extension for an LED strip without any problem. This particular cable is widely used for various DC electrical hookups and low voltage cables, but it can also be used as in home wiring or car stereo installation as is a low loss cable. The top coating or the jacket material is made up of PVC that is very flexible and environmentally friendly. This makes the cable well protected against dampness and environmental cuts and peeling. And now our last choice is TEMCO welding lead-in car battery cable. In the first place, we have the most reliable option from our picks for the best welding cable, that is the TEMCO WC12. It is a 50 feet long cable that is capable of carrying up to 600 volts power. Although, even with such high capacity, it has a temperature resistance ranging from 58 degF all the way up to plus 221 degF. It is a very flexible cable due to the rugged EPDM jacket on top. Therefore, you can rely on the flexibility factor of the cable and rest assured that it won't break easily. It is an annealed 30-gauge cable made of bare copper conductor. The overall nominal diameter of the cable is around 0.526 inches that is necessary to carry such high current. The conductor stranding ratio is 975/44 that makes it a great conductor cable and does not allow unnecessary resistance at any point on the cable. Along with that, it is resistant to cuts, tears, abrasion, water, oil, grease, and flame. Hence, it has great build quality. TEMCO is providing a lifetime warranty on its cable. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.